Welcome to Tech Prep video tutorials. Today in week 8 of biology we are going to look at diversity of life part 5. Let's look at the first question. Heterocercal tail placoid scales are found in one of the following animals. Which are these? Or rather fishes. Is it rohu? Is it Neoceratodus? Is it Scoliodon? Or is it Anguilla? Well, let's see what heterocercal tail and placoid scales are. Heterocercal tail is found in cartilaginous fishes, and the tail has two unequal lobes. Normally, the dorsal lobe is larger than the other lobe, and placoid scales are formed from the bone of the fish and which do not grow as the fish grows. However, new ones grow in between the old ones. Now let's see how quickly we can answer this. The technique which we can use here is to find the odd one out. Rohu is a freshwater fish. Neoceratodus, which is otherwise known as a lungfish, is also a freshwater fish. Anguilla is a freshwater eel. On the other hand, Scoliodon is a dogfish, or which is also called as spade-nosed shark. Because of its protruded snout, it looks like a dog. That's the reason why it's called a dogfish. So the odd one out is a Scoliodon, which could be the right answer. However, let's look at the answer. So the answer is option C. Let's look at the second question, which states, in one of the following animals, the stomach is complicated with several chambers in which bacteria digest cellulose. Now, we know that in ruminants, the stomach is chambered for proper digestion of their food. So let's identify which is it. Is it a flying fox? Is it a goat? Is it a porcupine? Or is it a hedgehog? Well, the answer is very simple and obvious, that goat is the ruminant. However, flying fox is a bat, porcupine is a rodent, hedgehog is a tiny mammal. Let's look at the answer. So ruminants like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, deer have chambered stomachs, wherein the cellulose is break down with the help of bacteria. So the right answer is option B.